Installing apps on your Philips Smart TV should be simple, but sometimes you search for an app and can't find it anywhere, or it just won't install. The good news is, once you follow the correct steps for your model, it becomes very easy. In this video, I will show you how to install apps on your Philips Smart TV, whether you are using an Android or Google TV model or an older Saphi model. I will also help you fix common problems, so make sure you follow each step in order. Let's start with Philips Android or Google TV models, because these give you the most flexibility. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet, since apps require an active connection to download. Now press the home button on your remote to open the main screen. When the home screen appears, move to the apps section. From there, open the Google Play Store, which is the official place to download apps and has the colorful triangle icon. If you do not see it, use the search option inside apps or press and hold the Google Assistant button on your remote and say Play Store to open it. Once the Play Store is open, use the search icon to type the name of what you want. If you prefer, you can browse categories like apps or games and scroll through the list. When you find what you are looking for, select it and press Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. After it finishes, press the home button again, go back to the apps section, and open it from there. Now, if you are using a Philips Saphi or older model, the process is a bit different. These TVs use App Gallery instead of the Play Store, which means you are limited to the apps available there. Press the Home or Smart TV button on your remote to open the main screen, then scroll to the Apps section and open App Gallery. Inside it, you can browse categories or use the search option at the top. When you find what you want, select it and choose Add or Install. Wait for it to complete and it will appear on your home screen. If you do not see a specific app inside App Gallery, it means it is not supported and cannot be installed on that model. If you are using an Android model and something is not available in the Play Store, there is a manual method called APK installation. This allows you to install apps outside the store. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Security and Restrictions, and turn on Unknown Sources. After that, download the APK file on your computer and copy it to a USB drive. Plug the USB into your TV, open a file manager, find the file, and select it to install. Now let's fix common problems. If the Play Store is not showing, go back to the Apps section or use voice search to open it. If you cannot find what you are looking for, it may not be supported on your model, especially on Saphi TVs. If something is not installing, check your internet connection, wait a few minutes, or restart your TV and try again. If it installs but is not visible, go to the Apps section and scroll through the full list. For errors or compatibility issues, update your TV software and try again. That's it for this video on how to install apps on your Philips Smart TV. You now know exactly how to install apps on both Android and Saphi models and what to do if something doesn't work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech guides. If you are not sure which model you have or one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.